I'm going to put a question up here on the side I want us to think about together. So the challenge is to position each figure in the coordinate plane and give the coordinates of each vertex. So here's the first one. I want to draw in a right triangle with leg lengths m and n. So first I'm going to draw some coordinate axes. And remember, we're free to put this anywhere we want, but I'm going to try to put it in a spot that seems to me to be most convenient. Now, here is an important point. I really want you to listen to this. Since the triangle is a right triangle, I know that it could fit perfectly and snugly right in this corner because that's the right angle. So it's always a great idea to have that right angle corner be the origin. Now that's not always true for any triangle, namely that you could have the sides conform to the axes. But if the triangle is a right triangle, you know that those sides can be placed so they actually rest up against the axes. So this is a sort of a neat point, and I'm going to take advantage of it right now. So I'm going to call this point one of my points, and then I have M. I'll put this M point here. This is going to be M, because it has length M, and N. Now, I don't know which is bigger, by the way. Is M bigger than N? Is M bigger than N? I don't know. So since I'm just trying to draw an artist's rendition, if you will, I'm going to actually make the N really big. I'm not saying this is drawn to scale. So this length here, you see, is N. So my triangle would look like this. And what are the coordinates? Well, the coordinates would be N comma 0, 0 comma M, and the fabulously simple 0, 0. And so there is the right triangle. Let's try the second one. A rectangle with lengths Q and width R. Again, rectangle, the angles there are 90 degrees, so it can be pushed up against those coordinate axes beautifully. Not every figure can be placed so nicely, but when you have a right angle, always see if you can sort of push it into a corner. That's pretty good. Push it into a corner. Love it. Gems. Okay, here we go. So now I'm just going to draw a rectangle. And we know that the length is going to be Q. So I'll come out here to Q. And I'll go up to R. And so there's my rectangle. I just drew it in. What are the coordinates? Well, this one is going to be Q comma 0. This is Q comma R. This is 0 comma R. And this is my favorite vertex, 0, 0. There you have it.